I'm a student po and alam nila na ako'y Kristiyano and some of my classmates mock God sa harap ko pa mismo. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin sa mga sitwasyon na ganun? Minsan po hindi ko na kaya yung pangmamak nila kay Jesus. Thank you and God bless po. First, I want to congratulate you, brother Kaman or sister. I congratulate you. That means nakita nila sa iyo that you are a true Christian, that you are not like them, that you are different. Kasi kung hindi naman nila alam that you worship God, they won't do it to you. Pero nakita nila that you serve God and you have faith in God. So dyan pa lang, brother or sister, ay nagtagumpay ka na. My advice to you is, don't look at them as an enemy, but as a mission field. We understand if they mock God, right? We understand that because Satan had blinded their minds, they are ignorant to the truth. Tayo rin naman ay minsan din naman ganon at salamat sa Diyos, niligtas niya tayo out of darkness into His marvelous light. So, I believe, kaya ka nilagay ni Lord dyan, dinala ni Lord dyan, inalaw ni Lord na ma-meet mo sila dahil gusto ni Lord na ikaw ang gagamitin niya to reflect His glory and to proclaim His word. So, hindi natin sila kaaway, hindi natin sila kalaban, sila din ay biktima sa pambubulag ng kaaway. I think first of all, you need to pray for the spirit of boldness. I remember in Acts chapter 4, nung nakaranas sa mga disciples ng persecutions and, the people has become to, hostile before them, sila po mga kapatid ay nagpray that the Lord would grant them the spirit of boldness, not to fight them, not to argue with them, but to remain calm, gracious, but yet strong, unintimidated in times of their mockery. So I think you must soak yourself in prayer and to the Word of God and pray that the Lord will grant you the spirit of boldness, the courage, the strength, but at the same time, tender but strong sa harap ng kanilang mga mockeries. Secondly, you must outlove them. You must love them anyway, okay? Okay naman kung gusto mo makipag-debate sa kanila, makipag-argue, but the thing is, you will just win the argument. You will not win them. Our goal is to win them to Jesus Christ. And there is no other way to win them than to outlove them. Mahalin mo sila sa kabila ng kanilang pangmamak, pang-aasar siguro, or pang-discriminate sa ating faith. Suklian mo pa rin sila ng mga mabubuting bagay. Mahalin mo sila. Mahalin mo sila hindi dahil sa mga ginagawa nila, kundi mahalin mo sila dahil sila din ay mga ligaw na kaluluwa na kailangan ng ating Panginoon. So, no matter how rude they are or how harsh they are, smile at them, be kind to them. At gamitin mo at mag-pray ka ng opportunity na maipakita mo si Lord sa kanila. Outlove them anyway. Lahat ng ating mga doctrine, theology, biblical knowledge, lahat yan ay walang kapuluhan kung hindi umaapaw ang pag-ibig ni Kristo sa ating mga buhay. Okay? So, that's it. Pray for boldness and pray that the Lord will teach you to love them the way the Lord loves them. Godspeed.